Greetings everyone from Piedmont Triad International Airport. Medco dealer here for Carolina Aircraft with a gorgeous Baron to show you today. Now this is a 1980 Baron 55, and George Johnson, the owner of Carolina Aircraft, knows this airplane well. He knows all the owners of the aircraft. He has sold it twice in the past, and today he tells us this is one of the finest pre-owned Barons you will find anywhere. There's lots to love here. She's got great paint and interior, updated avionics. You're gonna love it. Let's take a look. So let's talk about the engines on this gorgeous Baron. These are the Shadin Continental IO 470 260 horsepower engines. The right engine has 980 hours since major overhaul by Gann Aviation with new cylinders. The left engine, 445 since factory Reman. The props, 500 since factory new. They are 3-blade Hartzell props, and they do have prop anti-ice alcohol, and the windshield has anti-ice alcohol as well. One of my favorite things about the nose compartment of this Baron 55, it has the spring thing. Love that because it reduces the chances of us getting bonked on the head. Now when it comes to carrying your favorite things up in the nose, we can carry up to 300 pounds. So you have a gorgeous Baron like this, you're going to want to fly her places and show her off. She's the perfect transportation machine for business or pleasure. 136 gallons of usable fuel on board. Now check these out. We've got Vortex generators. And as you know, the Vortex generators, well, they delay the stall to a higher angle of attack. We can fly safer at slower airspeed. So great safety feature. The paint on this Baron is outstanding. White overall with black, gold, and pewter trim. 3,715 hours on the airframe since new. So we have the large cargo door, makes things so easy for loading. Now you can see we've got the optional 5th and 6th seats here. And when it comes to weight, loading the aircraft, 400 pounds allowed in the main compartment, 120 in the aft. This interior is exceptional. It smells like a new car with this beautiful leather seats, gray interior, gray carpet, gray sidewalls in perfect condition. We even have the G&B tinted windows. The flight deck is nicely equipped with a King KFC 200 Autopilot. Now that's integrated to the Garmin G600 EFIS glass panel, primary flight display, and multifunction flight display. You have dual Garmin GNS 430 GPS nav comms with WAAS, an Avidyne EX600 multifunction display movie map. We have weather, traffic, color radar and charts. Color radar displays on the Garmin G600. Avidyne EX600 display, Garmin GDL 88 ADS-B with traffic and weather. And yes, we are 2020 compliant. Another feature you'll appreciate about this Baron, SoundX Special Soundproofing. Just another of the many features you will love in this Baron. It is exceptional, folks, and I will tell you it looks better in person than it does in the pictures. Gorgeous paint, gorgeous interior, updated fabulous avionics, so much to love here. So we invite you to come see us at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We are Carolina Aircraft. We specialize in these beauties. I know this one's going to fly away soon, so you may as well be on board. And Baron School, it's included in the price of the aircraft because we want you to be safe and comfortable in your new Baron. So come check out this gorgeous 1980 Baron 55. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm Medco dealer. Thanks so much for watching.